Welcome back to this channel. So let's take a look at AUD USD for this week. But before I go ahead, if you are yet to subscribe to the channel, you can just simply become one of our subscribers by clicking on that subscribe button. Like, share, make your comments. I definitely would love to watch out for it. If there's anything you want to ask, go ahead and say it in the comment section. I'll be watching out for it. And also, if you are yet to follow the Patreon channel, the link to our Patreon channel will be in the comment section. So there we tend to put out high probability trade. Trade that we have 70 to 90% chance of winning. High win rate trade is exactly what we will be sharing on that Patreon channel. So these are a couple of trades we actually took last week. I'll be putting the link to this playlist of trade we actually took last week. You can see it, right? They were a wonderful trade we actually took last week. So this week we'll be looking at more trade. So you can become one of our subscribers by going to the link in the comment section. Once you subscribe, you'll get access to those contents we will be putting out on the Patreon channel. Now, this is my analysis on AUD USD. Right now, we can see that AUD USD literally broke out of this trend. Let's see it. At first, it was kind of like trending above this level, right? Then eventually, price eventually broke below this level. We can see it was trading below this trend. Then price broke out of it, right? Then when price came to this same level, right? Once price came to this level, we had a drop. Now price is at this same level. With what I am seeing right now, I'll be expecting DXY or USD index, whatever, to give us a bullish move on Monday. So with that move, then we should expect AUD to drop. So I'll be saying AUD to drop. So if AUD will continue the downward movement, I'm going to give you an update. That is on my Patreon channel. So once you become one of my Patreon subscriber, you should be able to get that update. And if there's going to be a reversal movement and it will continue to push up, I'm also going to let you guys know. But for now, we will be seeing AUD USD drop to this support level. This should be about 80 pips, wonderful pips. If you can just sell and you grab about 80 pips for this week alone, I think that is enough. I mean, you can make a whole lot of money, selling on AUD. By the way, DXY or USD, right, will be giving us a bullish move on Monday. So with that, every other pairs you are trading to USD should fall. So do not be surprised if AUD USD starts falling. So we should look to take profit at this bottom here. So profit targets 80 to 90 pips. So if there's more updates, I'm going to give it, guys. So become one of our subscriber on Patreon so you will get access to those.